We are now commencing with a series of short sessions which will involve creating a school, specifying its school levels or grades, specifying its student classes, its teachers, its subjects, its break period, and its lessons. All this will be based on data that is contained in the sample school file that is available in the bio and in the description below. Once all the lessons have been defined, we will populate the user details so that they may be reflected in the invoice that will be generated by DreamTimetables App. We will then place an order for timetables to be generated based on the data that we provided, and make a payment in the app to purchase those timetables once they have been successfully generated. After these sessions, you will be ready and well equipped with the necessary knowledge and skills to start generating timetables for your schools using data that relates to your schools. If you feel you need more hands-on practice, you can also use the data in the sample school file to practice on your own to gain more proficiency before starting to generate timetables for real schools in your neighborhood. Remember also that to create schools in DreamTimetables app, you do not require any mobile internet data or internet connection. You will only need that when submitting school information to the DreamTimetables app server in the cloud to generate the timetables. Let's tap the Add button to create our school. Change the default school name to Success High School. Let's deliberately make a typo in the name by spelling it as Success High School. Change the default address to 123 Mandela Street, select South Africa for the country, and Northern Cape for the province. Change the school town to Johannesburg. Type in 2000 for the zip code and change the contact person to be Sozizwe. For the phone number, enter +27 279 876 541, and for the WhatsApp number, enter +27 88 123 1234. +27 is the telephone code for South Africa. For your schools, you would enter the specific country telephone codes. Next, specify the email address as sozizwe@success.edu.za and the school motto as We Learn by Doing. Leave the school week as 5 days, but change the school hours in a day to 6. We will leave the start period as 8 a.m., but let us delete it and type it in again so that we can learn how it is entered in this text field. You do that by just typing in 0 followed by 8, followed by 0, followed by 0. It's that simple. Suppose the first school period started at 6:45 a.m. instead. You would type in 0, followed by 6, followed by 4, followed by 5. Let's take the first school period back to 8 a.m. The duration of each school period is entered in the same way. The period duration of our school is 1 hour long. Since an hour is 60 minutes, it is tempting to enter 0 followed by 0 followed by 6 followed by 0. But that would be incorrect. The correct way to enter 1 hour is to type in 0 followed by 1 followed by 0 followed by 0. The information that we just entered says our school starts teaching at 8 a.m. sharp and finishes at 2 p.m. We have completed entering information that describes the school. Let's hit the Save button to save our newly created school. Hit the Back button to see our newly created school. Our new school is visible at the top of the list. You'll recall that we made a spelling mistake in the school name. To correct it, tap the Edit button. It will take us to the Edit School screen. Here, DreamTimetables App allows you to change every data except for the country name and the name of the province. Let's correct the spelling of the school name now. Hit the Save button to save the change that we've just made, and hit the Back button to go back to the school's screen. Before we conclude this session, let's select the logo of our school. Tap on the image in the school widget. This will take us to the school contact details screen. To select an image to use as the school logo, tap either on this image or on this camera icon. Note that the images must be in your mobile phone storage or mobile phone gallery for you to be able to see them. Let's select this image. To erase the logo, you would tap on this Delete button. Hit the Back button to go back to the school's screen. For branding purposes, DreamTimetables App will only display your school logo in the Orders screen as well as in the school timetables, as we've already seen in previous lessons. In the next session, let's enter the information about the levels or grades of our school, as well as student classes.